Ladies and gentlemen, it is of course Lite Crypto here with a brand new guide. This time around we're going to be learning about Solana rent. So every time you buy a new token under Solana or a new NFT, what will happen underneath is a smart contract is being created, and under that smart contract there will be a locked amount of Solana that will be basically locked into that contract. Even if you sell out all of those tokens or you sell out the NFT, that locked contract will still exist, and you have to manually close that contract in order to reclaim your tokens. And throughout these services like Better Claim Sol, you can basically log in and close all of those old contracts that you don't have any use for anymore. Those might be very, very old smart contracts or Metaplex NFTs, things that you used to own maybe years ago. And all of those can be basically claimed now, and you will be getting money for every single closed account. And basically, I'm going to be showing you how it's done. And obviously, I've been doing similar videos about this subject throughout the years. But today, we're going to be featuring a new service. And here's actually a feed of other people that were basically closing out their accounts. So first thing we're going to be doing is actually logging into our Phantom. I'm going to be showcasing, let's just take another wallet over here, which I have not closed in, like this one. So here I have 0.028 Solana as of right now. That is our balance. Put it in your mind. So that is $5.91. I got some other trash tokens over here from Pump Fund, which I don't need anymore. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be connecting my wallet over here. And here I see amounts to close. And this is 5 accounts, which I don't use anymore. They're no longer on the list. And I'm going to be clicking Claim All Sol. A contract will pop out. I have my token pocket enabled here, so there's no viruses coming in whatsoever. So I'm going to be once again confirming. And here we have the Solana coming. There's going to be a small network fee, obviously, on the transaction cost. And voila, we have now claimed those tokens. Then alternatively, we can actually now see here the sum is basically the same. We can go into the Pern tab, and here we can find all types of garbage over here that we have. I just was showing those Pump Fund tokens, and what I can do is I can close these. So I can just, okay, I don't need that one. I don't know what that is. That's a trash. Sometimes you get spammed NFTs to your account. Luckily, you can close. Make sure you're not going to be closing anything you're going to be regretting. So I'm going to be closing all of those things. And I'm going to be burning, so you can do 5 burns per time. We're going to be doing once again, burn and close. Here we see what is being burned and how much Solana we're going to get back. Then we're going to be kicking out that transaction on. And then we're going to be waiting. In the meanwhile, I'm going to be showing you. So this is kind of like the idea here. So every time it is 0.02 Solana. That is basically locked up every time a new token or NFT contract was done. I think for NFTs that was higher at one point in time. I could be wrong about that. Depends on, I think that was with the case of the Metaplex. And basically everything, you know, there's transparency, RPCs. You can check everything regarding this thing. I mean, there's been multitude of these in the past as well. And they're pretty much safe, and they are part of the Solana ecosystem. Nothing is happening. This is a basic normal feature, which is not for some reason basically featured in a lot of these Solana wallets. Okay, those have been burned. Let's go back into our checking our balances over here. And as you can see, now we got $9, so we got some money. I'm gonna close these 3 as well because I don't need them anymore. And once again, the same process. We're gonna be confirming it, and we're gonna be closing those accounts down. Then there's also the NFT tab over here. Currently on this account, I have no NFTs whatsoever. So basically, I'm not able to close things out. And sometimes, you know, depending on how many accounts you have to close, it might take a bit of time to basically get those things done. And once again, the dates are updated, and all of those weird trash tokens are now out from the feed. And I guess this one is actually part of them too, so I could dump these as well. But that basically how easy it is to do this. Very simple process. You can also earn money by referring your friends into the service and get money from every transaction that they do. And you can confirm everything that I just did. I'm going to link my, TXDs on the description down below if you don't trust me. I mean, it's a pretty simple process and you can verify it elsewhere. And obviously my affiliate link is down below in the description. So every time you're going to be logging under me, I'm obviously going to be getting cut of those burns as well. And this is just another way to get, some of that money that might have been lost. Maybe I've been trading a lot of meme coins throughout the years. Maybe you have worthless tokens, which you want to close all together. Now is a good time to basically reclaim those monies from those old NFTs and tokens onto Solana. If you have any questions, you can find all my answers down below in the description, obviously. And obviously, if there are some extra questions, I will be able to answer them within the comment section. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more reviews and tutorials on the channel by subscribing. See you soon on the next video. Cheers.